Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Scubapro R195 second stage. So this is their very much sort of basic second stage. It's made out of a lightweight polymer, so it's great for sort of the traveling diver. It has kind of all the features that you need just for a simple stage cylinder. As you can see, it comes as standard with a rubber hose. This is a traditional length hose, it's about 75 centimeters. You get all the hose protectors on those as well, so you can fit it to any of the Scubapro first stages. The second stage itself, yeah, it's a polymer, a plastic, which means that it's very light, but it's also quite tough. You can use this in cold and warm waters. The purge button on the front is a very tactile purge button. It also has a sort of storage mode. You can push it in and then rotate it a little bit. And as you can see, it leaves it a little bit depressed. So that way it's relieving the pressure on the seat. So when it's in storage, it's not bedding in quite as bad. So you don't have to service it quite so often. It has one adjustment on it, and that's the pre-dive lever, the Venturi switch. So it's either in dive mode, which gives you a slightly better airflow, or pre-dive mode, which if a free flow is going to occur, it redirects the airflow on the inside and interrupts it before it becomes really bad. So the exhaust tee has two different stages in it, so that just reduces the work of breathing, and it means that all the bubbles are going to come out really sideways away from your mask, so you get a real sort of bubble-free view of the world. The mouthpiece itself is a decent-sized mouthpiece. It's not too big, but it's nice and comfortable as well. It actually kind of holds itself in your mouth without having to bite down too hard, and it comes as standard with a reusable cable tie. So instead of having to swap the mouthpiece, you've got to cut the old one off and then fit a new one, cut it down to size. You can actually reuse this one again and again, which makes it really practical. So it's a smart little second stage, nice and lightweight. You can use it in cold and warm waters. This is the Scubapro R195 second stage. Thanks for watching, safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.